Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share some essential tips on how to look expensive and classy on a budget. You don't need to spend a fortune to appear elegant and polished. With the right fashion choices, grooming habits and styling tricks, you can achieve a sophisticated and high-end look without breaking the bank. Let's get started. Invest in classic, timeless pieces. Building a wardrobe with timeless staples will instantly elevate your style. Instead of following every fast fashion trend, focus on essential pieces that always look elegant, such as a well-fitted blazer. Instantly adds a polished and structured touch to any outfit. Tailored trousers or dark wash jeans, flattering and chic for any occasion. A little black dress, LBD, perfect for both casual and formal settings. Neutral-colored coats and cardigans. These add an expensive feel to your look. Stick to neutral shades like black, white, beige, navy, and grey, as they give off a more luxurious vibe and are easier to mix and match. Choose high-quality fabrics without the high price tag. Expensive-looking outfits are often about the fabric. Opt for materials like linen, silk, wool, and cotton blends instead of overly synthetic fabrics like polyester. Shopping at thrift stores, outlet malls, or even second-hand luxury shops can help you find quality items at affordable prices. Accessorize wisely. The right accessories can make a budget-friendly outfit look expensive. Consider minimalist gold or silver jewelry. Small hoops, dainty necklaces, or elegant rings can add a touch of sophistication. Structured handbags. A sleek, well-structured bag looks high-end, even if it's not designer. Classic sunglasses. A simple, timeless pair of sunglasses can make you look effortlessly chic. A stylish belt. A high-quality belt can elevate a basic outfit instantly. Prioritize grooming and hygiene. Looking expensive isn't just about clothes, it's about how you present yourself. Pay attention to well-manicured nails. Even a simple clear polish or nude shades look elegant. Healthy, shiny hair. Regular trims and deep conditioning treatments will keep your hair looking polished. Subtle, natural makeup. A fresh, glowing complexion with well-groomed brows gives a refined look. Perfect your posture and confidence. One of the easiest ways to look expensive is to carry yourself with confidence. Good posture, a strong but friendly presence, and maintaining eye contact make a huge difference in how you're perceived. Always walk with purpose and poise. Take care of your clothes. No matter how affordable your clothes are, they'll look high-end if they're well maintained. Make sure to steam or iron your clothes to remove wrinkles. Keep your shoes clean and polished for a sleek appearance. Remove lint and pilling from sweaters and coats. Store bags and accessories properly to keep them in good condition. Confidence is key. At the end of the day, looking expensive is about how you carry yourself. Own your style, walk with confidence, and always remember that elegance isn't about money. It's about how you present yourself with grace and self-assurance. By following these tips, you can create a sophisticated, luxurious look without spending a fortune. Let me know in the comments which tip was your favorite and if you'd like more style-related videos. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay stylish, confident, and classy. Bye for now.